Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we have our corned beef brisket. We're gonna make some nice, delicious sandwiches. I'm gonna make it happen. So stay tuned. And don't forget, hit that like button. Also have some tiger shrimps that I need to go ahead and cook. Just got them out the deep freezer. I forgot I had them. So I'm gonna do something with them also. So we about to go ahead and make it happen in this kitchen. Stay tuned. Okay, so here we go right here. Everything nice and clean. So now it's time to season it. Give it a nice season. First we're gonna hit it with some extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna do the same thing with the shrimp. So we want that seasoning to stick. Now we're gonna season it up. Some of that sweet and smoky rub. So that right there is for both sides. Same thing with the shrimp. Okay, that's the end of that right there. Some lemon pepper seasoning. Same thing with the shrimp. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take my little knife. I'm just gonna poke holes. I want that seasoning, everything get all up into that meat. Okay, so here we go right here. We'll put the meat side down. So I don't add no oil to the pan. I'm just using the extra virgin olive oil that I rub the meat with. We'll give it a nice little color on each side. I preheat my oven to 400. Once we get a nice little color, we'll chop up some onion, put it with it, throw it in the oven, let it do its thing. Okay, so now we're gonna flip it. That side down. Okay, now go ahead and just chop up some onion and throw it in the oven with aluminum foil on. Okay, we chopped up our white onion. Now I'm gonna add a little seasoning to the onion. We're gonna use some of this whiskey apple. there. We'll throw some aluminum foil over it. But hold on, we're gonna add a little water to it, not much. The fat side is down, so that fat is gonna make its own little juice. Oh, there we go right there. That's all we need. Okay, so this how we looking right here. We're about to go ahead and top this off with a little bit of barbecue sauce. It's nice and tender. Look at it. Nice and tender for real. So this is optional. You don't have to add no barbecue sauce. I want to add a little barbecue sauce. So we're using some of the Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce. And then I'm gonna throw it back in the oven for like another 12 to 13 minutes. Just like so. Okay, so we have our shrimp. We don't need no butter or nothing. So we already have extra virgin olive oil. So we're gonna put together a nice honey, garlic, lime shrimp. Nice and sauteed. I already chopped up my garlic. I chopped up a lot of garlic too. Don't chop up too long. You know you don't get that much juice out of the lime. We're not gonna add the garlic just yet, because you know it don't take no time for the garlic to cook. There. Some lime right there. And wash my hands real quick. Yeah, this tiger shrimp be on hit. Don't sleep on that tiger shrimp. It be doing its thing. Turn over, fella. I don't want to turn over for nothing. There we go. Now we can add our garlic. Add that good honey. A little more lemon pepper. There we go. That's a lot of juice in there. What I'm gonna do after it cooks, the garlic and our shrimp, like another minute, I'm gonna go ahead and take some of that juice away. Drain some of that juice. And add a little more honey. Yeah, we're gonna drain. Yeah, that's a lot of juice. So there we go for the shrimp. Okay, so we'll add a little more honey. That's how we look. Let's put it up there. That long. One more good. Get on there. Okay. Now we all set with the shrimp. Okay, so here we go right here. When I say this bad boy is nice and tender, look. Look at that. Boom. See how easy that was? Easy put together. And like I said, the barbecue sauce is optional. You don't have to add barbecue sauce if you don't want. You know that bad boy is hot. I know y'all can see the color. And that's how you want it. That's just the way. That's what I've been looking for, just right there. Now we're gonna put that on a nice sandwich. And we'll close this video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Appreciate everybody and their support. I'm just doing my thing in the kitchen. Appreciate y'all. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen in this good kitchen. Look at that. That corned beef brisket. Fire. And yes, it's done. It's been in the oven almost 2 hours. Nice and tender. Look at them shrimps with all that extra garlic, honey, and lime. Can't go wrong. Now it was a change of plans. And I didn't put it on a piece of bread, how to make a sandwich. It looked better like this. And all that bread ain't too much good for you. So I just did my thing right here in this kitchen. For my good family and friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell, all notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good afternoon. God bless. Hit dice. And yes, I'm down. I'm uploading this video the same day. So that's how we do it. Right here in this good kitchen. Appreciate y'all.